Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter, and I've got a brand new drone today. It's by Autel Robotics. It's called Autel Evo. So that is the drone controller, and I've got like few extra batteries for it and everything. Amazing piece of equipment. If you guys have not checked this out, go to Autel's website and check it out. By the way, if you guys want to know the price, right now this is $9.99, and they are including 2 extra batteries and this bag and everything with it. So let's jump in. So the build quality on this Evo is a little bit since I'm coming from the DJI family, I think the build quality is decent, but it seems like the Mavic 2 Zoom and the Mavic 2 Pro, actually I used to have a Mavic 2 Zoom, is a little bit more polished compared to the Autel. Simple mechanism as that of the the Mavic 2. So you just attach it and then you just screw this in, and that's it. Pretty much easy to go. And open this up. So that is the gimbal. Very good job on the gimbal, because what's this, you can actually unscrew this and attach ND filters and stuff like that. The most interesting part about the drone is this controller. So if you guys take a look, you will see that this controller has got a built-in display thing. You can fly with the built-in screen. So how cool is that? And it's been launched already 7 or 8 months, and I was like, I'm not gonna do it. Also, what's this? You're not keeping your phone at the bottom, and you're holding this as a regular Xbox controller. And if you're wondering what's there at the back, there are 2 customizable buttons at the back also. And if you guys are wondering and want me to show about the sensors, so in the front you have got 2 sensors which are vision sensors, which means these are optical cameras in the front too. At the bottom it is only ultrasonic sensors at the bottom. And if you're looking at the back, these are 2 infrared sensors. There is a micro USB port on this side, and on the out here, just out here, you will see that there is a micro SD slot. 32 gigs of storage is already included in this micro SD. So good job, Autel, on that. Now my biggest achievement with this drone is the ground clearance. Watch how much ground clearance I'm getting on this. While as DJI drone sits very plush on the ground, and sometimes it touches, not all the time, but sometimes I've seen it touches the camera, especially if you have wild grass or anything. But then again, ground clearance on this guy is amazing. Turn on the controller. So press and hold that button, and then you need to turn on the drone. And after you turn on the drone, you can actually go to Autel Explorer out here. I've pre-cached all the maps to the place where I'm supposed to fly today. So all my updates are done. And yep, that's pretty much it, and it's ready to go. Look at that. Compass calibration is out here. Hold the Evo 360 and rotate 360. So we'll be rotating 360, and then we'll be vertically rotating this. And you can see I'm in, and it's calibrated. There is a button out here. You can press this and you can take off, but in DJI drones you can actually do like that. So same stuff. Your stuff is on, and that's a lift off. So watch this drone very carefully. Super stable. There is a little bit of wind going around everywhere, and I would say, like, even at the bottom and everything, it looks super stable. There is a slight amount of deviation, like a 1 degree to the left and right, just because it's trying to avoid that high speed wind that is coming from the left. It's a windy day. I'm not going to say it's not going to be a windy day, but look how stable that looks. How the pitch works, whether it's reactive or not, you can actually decide your flight modes by going out here, and then you go to flight control. You can either click it precision or standard. I will show you differences between each mode. I have turned off my distance limit, guys, so make sure that distance limit is turned off so that you can get the full range. Okay, in precision it's super stable. It will not make a lot of deviation. And what I'm going to do is it's going at 4.5 miles an hour, which is super slow. And after that we are going to go for standard, and then we are going to go to Ludicrous. It's a little bit noisy, I would say. A little bit. Is more for cinematic approach rather than standard. So that was precision mode. So flight mode is normal. Okay, flight control, and you go to standard mode. Okay, and it's kinda sport. but very reactive. Props are coming into the way, I do not know why. And I think I can actually, my gimbal pitch is at 0. So let me bring it down a bit. Now increase the horizon limit. Okay. I've got no problems in flying. It has recorded my home point and everything. Yeah, I'm going full throttle. Yep, it recognizes, but it keeps on coming. It will just give you notification, but it keeps on coming. While as on the other hand, if I fly forwards, you will see that it's not flying. Like even when I'm pitching this, it's not flying. So back sensors will notify you the distance, but it will keep on flying. Front sensors will not allow the drone or the quad to fly towards you. So I think that is one of the cardinal differences between the front and the back sensor. Now let's go to another flight mode, which is called Ludicrous. In Ludicrous, all the vision positioning system, everything will be turned off. It is like the sport mode, the fastest mode right now. And full throttle, let's see how it pitches. Now I'm going to record this at 2K at 60 FPS. So the recording has begun. Can come back in Ludicrous mode, like really fast. That is fast, and I can hear the quad from here. Whoa, 45 miles an hour full throttle. That's good. All the vision sensors are turned off. Okay, with 8 minutes left, I'm just going to try to land this right now. Very important for me, how is the landing? So we are going to see the landing right now. Really good landing. Really good landing, because these two are my prime importance. You can know a drone by takeoff and land. So the APS on this, which is automatic pilot assist system for this, is amazing. Good job on that, good job. So first flight experience on this Autel Evo, I would say not at all, you know, like disheartening or anything. 30 minutes of flight, but I was flying in Ludicrous or sport mode just to show you guys a demo and stuff like that. Amazing performance on this, and now I do not have any sort of restrictions. I can literally take this drone out and I can fly wherever I want, wherever. There is no geofencing, no lockdown and all that stuff. I know my rules and I've never broken any rules, and this is amazing. And this controller actually starts making more sense to me. It literally makes more sense, because this is the way your you know, like camera, you know, phone should be mounted. Price is $9.99 and you get the bundle, which is 2 extra batteries for free. This is a deal. Autel, amazing job on that. Amazing job on your drone. But the way the whole flight experience was amazing. This is not a review or anything. This is just a first flight experience. If you like this presentation, and if you think that this whole presentation was present in a very honest way, showing you guys my first flight experience, throwing through different modes that will make you go on the air, and I've given you some very important tips about the distance and everything, give me a big thumbs up, like, and do press that subscribe button on the right hand corner, sorry, on the left hand corner, and the notification bells are right underneath. So take care, see you again on another episode.